one bolt came out easy peasy and the other one did not. So again, rust can be an issue on older vehicles, and this one, it was a factor. So let's extract this thing. I'll show you what we're going to do. My favorite way to extract broken bolts is to take a nut and actually weld it to the stud. So we're going to put that in there. We're going to take our MIG welder and weld to the nut. That's going to give us an attachment point, and it's also going to heat this up. Right? Heat is going to be our friend here. It's going to get nice and hot by welding that nut onto it, and hopefully between the two of those, we'll be able to just simply back that bolt out of the control arm. So let's see if we can make it happen. Got my bolt here. I've actually done a little bir of preheat just because it's a bigger bolt, and that's going to better my chance of the weld sticking. And we're going to have to do a bit of overhead welding, but we'll give it a go. Oh baby. Woo, it's coming. It's coming. There we go.